Good afternoon, guys. Kindly type 1 if you can hear my voice. Okay? Once again, magandang hapon sa ating lahat and welcome to our session. Today's session is seventh session and we will just continue where we left off. And the topic that we will be discussing for today's session is cloning. But before we dive into the topic of cloning, let me show you the finished product of last session activity. I'm just gonna open my Scratch and ayan. And there you go. We have the uh, activity for session for the last session, which is the topic of data and list. Okay. Mhm. Taas natin to. Okay, this let us make this into a full screen. Ayan. And then let us run the application. Okay. The objective of this application is to choose whether you answer the question either correct or wrong, and you will get a highest score of three. Three three questions lang naman yung ating inilagay dito. Ano? You will choose if the if your answer will be based on the actual image or picture. Okay, let us run the application. Okay, guess the animal. Ayan. Crab. Okay, all right. And then, what animal is this? Cat. All right. And then, the final image is bat. Ayan, okay. Based on the application, we have a total score of 3 and the remaining time rather is 36 seconds. Okay. What if we entered a wrong answer? Ayan, okay. Let's uh, play once again the application. Okay, guess the animal. Let's try any guess. Ayan. Okay. Then dog. And then any guess ulit. Ayan. All in all, we have a zero score. Ayan. Okay, that's the objective of this application to get the correct answer based on the images shown in the stage area. Okay. And then we have left three exercises. Every session there are three exercises, but we will choose only one. Okay. Mm, this is the three exercises for the day 6, ano? Kasi medyo mahaba yung discussion natin for the day 6 or session 6. That's why itutuloy natin ngayon. But konti na lang naman to. Okay. Anyways, these are the three exercises based on the lesson you have learned from data and list. Okay. Exercise 1, Shopping List Manager. Create a program that allows users to add and remove items from a virtual shopping list. Exercise 2, the Daily Weather Tracker. Develop a program that records and display daily weather conditions using list. Okay. Okay. And then the exercise 3, the World Scramble game. Create a game where players unscramble words and receive points based on their answers. You will need two lists, one for the scramble words and another for the correct words. Ano? Okay. The from these exercises, we will choose the exercise 2 because this is the easiest one to create the blockings for the scratch. Okay, let us open our uh, save. Let us save muna etong ating day 6 activity, and then let me show you the blocks of the exercise 2. Let us upload the file of exercise 2. Um, ito, this one. Ayan. Okay. Once again, the uh, the exercise 2 is to develop a program that records that records and display the daily weather conditions using list. Ano? Okay, let's make this into a full screen mode. Okay, let's run the program. Ayan. First, I we do not have a condition yet for our weather. Ano? In this application, we will use the uh, keyboard entry. Ano? Keyboard. Okay. We will choose only two keys for this application, the space bar and the W key. Okay. The space bar will ask uh, what is the weather condition for today. Let's try sunny or rainy day. Then enter. The first item will be placed in the weather log. Okay. And then uh, spacebar again. Let's say day 1 was yesterday and day 2 is today. Okay. Let's try sunny. Ayan. And then every day you will be, it's up to you if you want to add some, the weather is every 12 hours. Well, it depends on your on your blockings. If your weather is every 12 hours or every 24 hours. Okay, yesterday was rainy and today is sunny. Now, we do have an option to display the records and also to look for the uh, parent record if the list version is in hide mode or in hidden mode. Okay, let's try to let's try to hide the list weather log. Okay. Then let's make this into a full screen. We will press the W key. Ayan. Here is the weather log. We do not have the weather log because it was hidden. Okay. Ayan. Then make it into full screen mode again and then press W key. Here is the weather log. Okay. Now item or weather log. Okay. We will enter the uh, weather condition for today and sunny, typo or wrong spelling. Ayan, sunny. Ayan. Then if you want once again to see or look for the all of the weather conditions for the whole week, just press W key. Ayan. That's how the application works, and that is for the exercise 2. Ano? Okay, and the codings will be forwarded sa ating lms.philippinecoding.com. Just use your credentials to log in and look for the file, and then download the file and then upload into your Scratch. Okay, let's close this one, and then let's create again a new project. And we will name it day 7 underscore activity na lang. Activity. Yan. Then file and save. Don't forget to save once you created your new project. Okay? And then let's proceed with the presentation. Okay. Cloning. Once again, if you can see my shared screen, kindly type 2 in the chat box of the Gather Town. Type 2 if yeah, yan. Okay. Okay. Heart, heart and number 2. Okay. Sige. Ayan. Cloning. Before we create our TBT along with the exercise or exercises, we must first understand what are the functionalities of cloning blocks in our Scratch. Okay, cloning allows us to create multiple copies. Ayan. Okay. And then each clone behaves independently. Ano? Every clone meron siyang kanyang own, let's say, uh, behavioral activity. Ano? Hindi yan kagaya ng isa, kagaya ng isa. Pwedeng isang clone, iba ang ginagawa. Ano? Okay, cloning enhances interactivity and complexity in the projects. It's a key tool for creating patterns, animations, games, and more. Instead of creating sprites, and blocks all over again, you can just clone it and add behaviors whenever the sprite detects that it is a clone. Ayan. We have the clone blocks. Okay, we have the when I start as a clone. Ito guys, yung when I start a clone is not a hidden functionality. Just like functionality from the list. Kasi whenever we create a list, automatically there will be a functions that will be unhidden. Ano? lalabas at lalabas. Makikita natin yung available pa, yung more functionalities na pwede nating gamitin. Dito kasi sa cloning, once we log in, create a project, nandoon na siya. Ano? Okay. Then we do have the create clone of myself and then delete this clone. Creating a clone. We use the block create clone of myself to make to make copies of a sprite. Clone inherits this script and costume of the original sprite. Ayan. Kung gumamit tayo ng isang Felix Ducket or yung Simplicate, sa cloning, pwede siyang maglabas or mag-exert sa kanya sarili ng maraming cats, Ayan. Depende sa yung blocking kung anong ginagawa ng iyong clone. Kung siya ba ay tumatalon or lumilipad, lumilit, lumalaki, It depends on the blockings. Okay. Clones can have their own variables, properties, and interaction. Kagaya ng na-mention ko kanina, na every clone has an independent uh, behavior. Ayan. Challenges and consideration. Managing many clones can impact performance. Use delete this clone to remove clones when they're no longer needed. And then think creatively about how cloning can add the depth to your projects. Hindi naman ibig sabihin doesn't mean na you have clones, your project will be good to uh, your project. Ano? It depends on the functionality of the clones you have created. Ayan. Experiment with creating patterns, animation, and interactive elements. Tip and best practices kung we will use the clone blocks. First, plan your cloning strategy before starting a project. Test and optimize your project to ensure the smooth performance. Okay, planning is not just for the cloning. It applies to all blockings. First is create a strategy for every project that you will be making. Laging ganon. Plan, plan, and plan. After planning, test and optimize all of the blockings. Para magkaroon ka ng ah, suitable project to your preferences. Hindi ibig sabihin, many blockings can create a good, many sprites or many blockings can create a good project. Ano? Doesn't uh, uh, goes sa ganong practice lagi. Okay, let's create a simple activity that uses the clone blocks. Okay, we have the particle effect. In this activity, or in this example, we'll create a simple particle system using cloning in Scratch. A particle system is often used to stimulate effects like smoke, fire, or falling snowflakes. Ayan. This will be the activity that we will be creating. Game preview. Ayan. Meron siyang at the middle of the stage area, meron tayong small, let's say ball. Ball in a brown color theme. And then uh, when the uh, when the pointer click the go button, the sprite in the middle nag-exert siya ng merong malaking ball, may maliit na ball, merong ibang kulay na ball, and then Sometimes yung ball na maliit nagpe-fade. Ayan. Ito yung objective for this activity. And we will create this now na. Okay. Then, create tayo ng, or let's create and open day 7 activity. Ano? And then, we will look for the something na very similar to the ball. Ano? Let's, ito. Pwedeng basketball, pwedeng baseball, balloon, or ball. Then, pwedeng beach ball, pwedeng button, one. Yan. Pwedeng egg, pwedeng earth. Ayan. Okay, let's try, ito na lang, ball. Ayan. Let, uh, for the meantime, let's remove sprite 1, the cat. Ayan. And then, the ball is our sprite or the main sprite. We can change the size of our ball. Ayan. The size of the current sprite is 100. We can make or turn it into a smaller image. Yan. Palitan natin from 100, let's say 50. Ayan. Okay. Then, let's save every time we make changes for the project. Ano? Wala kasi itong autosave. Unlike sa Visual Studio na main na tool for development, in Scratch, we do not have the autosave. Ayan. Just always remember to save your project every time you do any changes. Ayan. Okay. Then, let's uh, code this project. Ayan. Okay. Start by creating a script for the sprite that contains the when green flag block. Number two, use the create clone of sprite block to generate copies of the particle sprite. Wait zero point 0.1 seconds before creating the next clone. Ayan. Okay, let's try to copy this code. Okay, let's open our day 7 activity, and then let's look for the green flag is and always in the events code. Ayan. Green flag, and then forever is in the ito control, and then create clone and wait points 1 second. Create is eto. Ayun. Create clone of myself. Ayan. And then wait for, let's alter the value 0.1 second. Ayan. And then when I click the start as a clone block, set up the particle starting position, size, and other properties. Use variables if necessary. Okay, first we will create our variable and we will name it the ghost. Okay, let's create our variable dito. Ayan, variable and then name it ghost. apply for all sprites. Okay. And then we will start the cloning. Ano? Dito sa event. Event when clone and I start ito. Under control pala, not uh, event control. Ito. Ayan. When I start clone, set set is ito. Set goes to 1, set size, and set ghost. Set size is in the ito. Set goes to 0. And then set size is can be found in mhm, ibang kulay ng set size. Ah, blue, blue na violet. Set eto, set size 2. Ayan. And then what's in the set size 2? Pick random 1 to 100. Okay, green. Green is the operation code block. Ito, pick random and then place it inside the set size 2. Ayan. As you can see, ano, once we hover or once we pick the block and then hover onto the set size, as you can see, ayan, it will be inserted on the uh, uh, I call it the input box, ano, or the blank box of the set size block. Okay, and then pick random 1 to 10. Next is set ghost. Set ghost is nandun ulit. Nasa to. Set effect. Ito. Hindi. Delete. Set. Uh, uh, Instead of color, we will use the variable we have created. Set ghost effect to ghost variable. Ito. Ghost variable. Ito. Ayan. Okay. Then, next is, ayan. After particle has finished its animation, reach the top of the screen or faded out, delete the clone using the delete this block, delete this clone block. This helps prevent performance issues from having too many uh, clones. Ano? Okay, but first, with, nag-skip yung ating presentation. But before we make this final blocking, first is eto muna tayo. Use motion and looks block to animate the particles movement, size changes, and transparency. To make the particle system more realistic, use random values for particles' initial position, speed, direction, and other properties. This adds variety to the particle's behavior. Okay, let's copy these uh, blockings. Repeat, glide. Change and change. Ayan. Repeat is, I think, nasa event. Control pala. Control. Control and then glide. I think nasa motion ang glide. And then, not this one. The other one, eto. And then, ano pa yung isa? Change and change. Change na ay yellow and violet. Change dito. I think as I lower to ito. Change and then yung isang change ay hmm, ito. Mhm. Okay. And then glide, pick random. Pick random, green. Ito. And then inside the pick random 1 to 10, we also have another block. Inside the in pick random, we have two input boxes, 1 and 10. We will alter the content of text box with a caption of 1. Then we will add another pick random. Okay, this is wrong block. First is yung may eto muna. The first green block to be used is yung may division, may operator. Ito. Ayan, ito yung first green blocking for the glide. And then in the division operators, we have the left and right operand. We will add another operators inside the left operand. And that block is pick random 1 to 10. Ayan. Then, pick random 1 to 10, then divided by 10. And then seconds 2 or sec 2, what is ayan, random position. Ito, random position. And then change or goes by 20. Ito, 20. And then change ghost effect by ghost. Change, hindi ito. Not this, change. Nasa isa. Yung isang change na sa loop. Ito. Dito. Ito. Change ghost effect by ghost variable. Ghost variable. Ito. Then, delete this clone. Ayan. Delete this clone can be found in control. Ito. Ayan. Do we have the ano pa ba? Ayan. Okay. We are finished. We are done for the blockings of this activity, ano? Okay, ang ghost ay 200. Ang dami naman. Ayan, make this into a full screen. Okay, let's try to run the application. Ayan. Ang liit. Palakihin natin ng konti. Gawin natin 50. And then, let's make this into ano, uh, center screen. Then, once again, file, save, now. And then, mm, full screen, then play the button. Ayan. We do have a running application. Okay. Can you see my can you see the running app? Kindly type 3 in the chat box. Okay. Yan. This is, I think, a very simple one compared to the other the other activities cloning lang naman ang ating ginawa. The hardest part for this application is the correct blockings or blocks to be used in your project. Kagaya nito. Asan na ba? Okay. We do have a lot of, maliit na. We do have a lot of blocks used for this activity. Pick the right blockings you prepared. Ayan. Save. And then, okay. Then we are done with the activity for this session. Let's proceed with the exercise. And we do have a very short, lang naman, short presentation for today's session. But the exercises are hard, Kasi tatlo. Always tatlo. Ayan. Exercise 1, create a pattern. And the objective is use cloning to create a visual pattern using a sprite. Okay. Exercise 2, laser blast. Objective is use cloning to create the laser blast animation. Whether the player clicks on the left mouse button. Ayan. Falling snowflakes animation. Use cloning to create a falling snowflakes animation. Okay, we can create one or two or three, Parang magandang gawin yung two. Kasi yung two, parang game, laser blast, laser blaster. Kapag pinindot mo yung left mouse, ayan, yung iyong sprite magbabato siya ng ah magbabato siya ng sprite. Bale, dito sa exercise 2, I think you can use two sprite. Yung iyong first sprite, let's say jet or yung plane, and then yung other sprite is ball. Change the ball into a smaller one. Then when I click the left button of the mouse, yung kanyang ball will launch into a certain direction. Ayan. Yun yung laser blaster. Okay. And then, exercise 3, falling snowflakes. Uh, we can think of we are in the, a very windy or cold just a destination or area na or place na may nahuhulog na snowflakes, ano? Yung niebe kung tawagin, ano, sa Tagalog, niebe. Ayan. Okay. Siguro, let's, I will create, I will send pala the, ano, mm, I'll give you time guys to, ano, to think of your possible exercise na gagawin. Either one, two, or three. And by 2, I think 2:50 p.m. we will create or we will develop the one from these exercises. Ano? Okay. We will start the blocking or coding at 2:50 p.m. You can think of any exercises. Ano? You can use the previous exercises, activities for your reference. Ayan. Guys, can you hear me? Type 1. Okay. Let's create for this for today's session. Let's create the exercise 3. This is the easiest one. Ano? Let's create a falling snowflakes animation. Okay, let's open the our Scratch and let's create a new file. Day 7 underscore excerpt 3 and then click save. Okay, let's use the sprite. Then let's try ko may snowflake. Ito, may snowflake. Ayan. Siguro lagyan natin ng ibang snow. Ito, si snowman. Paliitin natin ng konti yung ating snowflake. 50. Malaki pa. Siguro 30. 50. Ayan, okay na yan. Um, Pwede naman sa gitna. Okay, and then uh, file, save. Then for the snowflake, let's look for event when flag click and then hide. Yeah, hide natin si snowflake muna. Nasaan na ba si hide? Look. Ito. Hide. And then forever. Looping ang gagawin natin. Forever is control. Ayan. And then create clone tayo. Create clone. Ito. Create clone of myself and then wait 0.2 seconds. Wait nasa control. And then let's alter the content 0.2 seconds. Okay, let's see what is the initial animation. Nawala. Nawala yung ating nawala yung ating nawala ang ating sprite because we have the hide block. Okay, then we will start the cloning. Okay, the first set of blocks we just created the clone. Now, how about the animation of the clone sprite? Okay, we will use the when I start as a clone. Nasaan na ba yan? Clone. Ito. When I start as a clone. And then, we will set the initial location of our sprite. Yung ating first clone. Set or go to X. Ito. Go to X. Then, we will change the content of our negative 14 caption into operators. Operators. Pick random. Pick random is we can predict the location of the sprite because of the random order. Negative 240 to 240. and then 180. Okay, that is the position of our uh, clones, ano? And then, show. Ipapakita naman natin ngayon. Look. Nasa look to. Ayan, look. Show. Okay, let's try to save and then try to play the button. Ayan. We can see that some of the clones makes it an entry into our stage area, but it doesn't fall. Ano? Okay, let's stop this application. Then let's make the snow flakes fall to the ground. Repeat until. Repeat is event. Repeat, not events, control. Repeat, repeat until. Ito. And then we will use another operators for the ito, until value. Operators, ito. And then y position, this one. And then negative 180. And then change y, ito naman, ito. Change y by negative 3. And then change x, change x, ito. Change x by operators again. Operators, pick random. Random, negative 1 to 1. And then, wait. Ang wait, nasa control. Wait for 0.5 seconds. 0.5. And then, delete the clone. Delete. Delete is control. Ito. Huh? Ayan. Okay, we are done with the blockings. Okay, file save, then make this into a full screen. Okay, let's play the application. Ayan. Ang bagal ng ang bagal ng pagbagsak. Medyo mabagal. Okay, baguhin natin yung speed. Ito, 0.05 para much faster yung pag-fall ng snowflake. File, save, and then full screen. Then go button. Ayan. Ito yung medyo in malapit sa realidad. Ano? Although hindi nagpe-fade yung ating clone when it hit the bottom, but at least we do have a snowflakes falling to the ground. Okay. Let us make this a more interesting application. Ano? By using the backdrop or adding a background image. Ayan. Siguro let's try mountain. Ayan. Ito medyo i-move natin ng konti si snowman. Ayan. File, save now, and then full screen. And then play button. Ito. It is a very interesting application. Naka Si Snowman, naka-ano pa, sombrero pa. Ayan. Okay. This is the ano, the ano, wala ang ating ayan. Okay. These are the blocks that we use for this ano exercise ano. It's fun and it's ano, it's fun na we are using this scratch tool ano. And more fun activities and exercises to come, guys, ano. Ayan. Although the blockings, the usage, the formatting of the blocks are much harder compared to the previous session, but it is more fun because of the output that you are seeing every time we ano we create or we develop the activity along with the exercises. Okay? And the ano, the file along with the presentation once again will be forwarded into the LMS portal. Ano? Okay. It's 3 p.m. and once again, thank you guys for attending our 7th session and see you again on Friday same time 2 to 3 p.m. Okay, parting words, mag-aral, God bless, and happy blockings.